I'm singing Come Rain or Come Shine. I'm not really changing it up much. I'm just gonna put a bluesy feel to it.
Danny is this close. I was watching him so intensely. It may have put him off a little bit. You wanted to do this, but you looking at me like, man, that's this dude. And I'm looking right at you. So I know how that is. You know, Michael Mann, who's a director, he would be just... No, relax.
You know, we all have our own little comfort zones. I mean, he was that...
And that moment when I got right on Danny, like right in his grill, is when he was the purest and the truest. Just sing a note, anything.
I wanna love you like nobody
keep going.
You.
That's what I'm saying. See? Now I'm all up in your grill. It didn't make a difference. It's fresh. Your breath is fresh. If he channels and embodies that, then that's what's gonna make him fantastic. Go get it, D.
I'm gonna love you like nobody's loved you. Come rain or come shine. High as a mountain, deep as a river. Come rain or come shine. I guess when you met me, it was just one of those things. But don't ever bet me, 'cause I'm gonna be true. Yeah, if you let me. You're gonna love me like nobody's loved me. Come rain or come shine. Happy together or unhappy together, and wouldn't it be fine? Oh, the days may be cloudy or sunny. Yeah. You're real, you're out of the money. Yeah, I'm with you always. Come on, rain or shine. Yeah, rain or
Yo. Thank you. Yo. All right, so check this out. Once again, it all sounds like it's ballads tonight. I'm worried about the tempo, all this kind of stuff. Danny's going to sing this. They love you, Danny. Danny's going to sing this. It seems kind of safe for him, whatever. Let me tell you something right now, man. You are the only one I've heard so far tonight that actually could have an album of songs like that and win. Yo. And let me just remind everybody about one thing. Forget all of this stuff about the connection. Forget all this stuff about the connection to the audience, all this kind of stuff, or whatever you're doing. I don't...